Hey. That's a code. That's a code. Yeah, people, so you don't know we're there with the team and we are going on the river. The river. Yeah, Sasha there, so. Tell them to say, Jamil, out the cigarette. Out the cigarette, there's still a bit of about. Throw it outside, throw it outside.
Oh, you throw outside?
Out the cigarette, Jamil. Tell them to say we are going on the pump view. Yo! We're outside! That's a code, you know. That is it. She can tell them so she have church. She a Christian.
That's not where her is.
You say that now work again. Yes, so I have a once-off meal, yeah. I get some ear in it. People, we are good. Shaka them over there, sir. Shaka! That's a code, you know. Yes, Shaka them are going with the road, man. Watch out. Hey! People, Shaka them are going left way. I just bang the screen down. Spin on the camera. Don't spin on the GoPro. Hit a record. Yes? Yeah, you know, some people. That's not cool.
Outside, black, river move. You don't know, Ricky black. Outside.
Grimy. That's not cool. Active.
You know what that means, man. Got to see fully.
Yeah. Hello, mate. It's funny yard Monday. Yeah. That's a chord. Now get some ear. That's a chord, you know. Hey, 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 hey. Ah, that's a chord. What's that? They might hide in that car. What's that? They
The members try to turn, I'm show you the gas station up there, so if the pump now work, yes, up there, so
Umba, eh. Gay man. That's a cool. We are going to a gas station, you understand? Lead out. Yo. She wants Shata. She don't want Harry Potter.
Here from the schools, yeah, can you use it,
Hold on, let me get you,
Pull it. Live, me catch you all on. Look how much pump.
Look how much pump there for me that I'm bad friend.
Next, look so. Vegan. No, you just touch it.
Take it up with the same. Front camera and back camera.
Back. See the
Give me an interview in the dog.
Hold it.
One diplomat.
One guy, you know.
Schema Steve.
Fully. Stir, not a stir. Fully.
That's a cool. Big up the people them on the vlog, you know. Like, share and subscribe, you know what I mean? One Schema Steve.
Life's a bitch, boy if you enjoy life a bit. Certain killers will you rise a brick, so when you see certain people you can manage. Watch for me, no back a lighter in. Don't I do my time on me, yeah one of them you.
That's a code. Yeah, David. Yeah. girl who me not trust. Ah, man's a friend. One at a time, me and touch them grab around will also. Nothing more risk it for the three of them carry go up there so. Maryland nice too, you know. But a long time I don't go in Maryland. Yeah. Ski man, she asked if I can see him. She go find out when time she reach.
Majority of man say don't know how to swim, so I see if you can swim.
Yeah, true. Most people don't know how to swim.
Yeah, I swim to save myself. Can't swim to
Yes. You're supposed to know say Jamil can swim. Right? Yeah? Yeah. Jamil can swim.
Right, mermaid.
Yeah,
She and Sasha can jump from which farm with the jump.
Hey, Sasha can't swim.
You must be mad.
Sasha can swim.
No.
But she can't stand up.
You must be mad. Ah, you crazy then. Me go to water and I just water reach me.
But I think I want 8 feet. Mad. You know somebody swim. Unless I have support, life support. Life jacket. Yeah, for life support. Life jacket.
Me for jump.
Alright then. What if on a jump but I'm out there with the tube and then when you come up back you just hold on for the tube?
Me don't do that. Me don't do that.
Yeah.
Me don't do that.
Because I want a little spot in and I like I want big somewhere you have to swim come for the tube. As long as somebody there. What?
Hey, and I now tell Sasha to try that.
Yeah, try it. Yeah, try it. I don't know, big spot. Yeah, try it. Yeah. You don't want to know about that.
That's good. Oh yeah, so welcome to what that say, Jamil? Jamil, what that say? One at a time, me and them never around for life, so just around for life, so feel the change of climate. Oh God, a change of climate supposed to tell you what the water feel like. Hey. The change of climate supposed to tell them. Ski wants to change of climate, tell them what the water feel like. Yeah. I tell Hey. and lick him down. That's a code. Jamil, I wonder if I go see the youth there. They call him. What's his name again? Ah, shit.
Riverman.
Okay, people. The statue was Chopper say sexy. Yeah, what you say?
Batty big.
No, sir. Hey, no, Chopper never did rock about the statue then. Because you're so fierce on the statue, batty big. People, this come like Jamaican hidden beauty. That's a code. The whole team are roll out in that place. That's a code. Crystal missing. Poor thing. Friend get work. And she's working on a Sunday. Keep left. Yeah. Blue Mountain foot here, so. Yo, the man every night people them. That is it. We don't have no can feed them. Them not see so them look friendly, a good dog them. Sasha, look at what kind of dog this right as well. I know nothing normal.
Brother.
Sharp man, straight. Him good man, him good. He must smell you. You're good. You're good. Ah, that is it. You're good man. Him sister, you're good. Bring up the bands. Yeah. Watch your dog then, my boss. But park your Benz on the side, that's stuff. Park your Benz on the side. Hey? Yeah, man, the artist. Him love you. Watch out. Him have. That is it. Oh, go on. Eh? Come in.
In the dark, when I lay down at night,
Hey man, him the black. Oh, here I ill. Last me.
Why not them glass on my team?
We are the solidest, the street we know inadequate. We jam step all when them try to put powder in my grip. On the battlefield, me there with blood and mixing on my sweat. If you believe in everything, but that is safe. You watch it like that, but you know what's up yourself. We're gonna look for you, who's in that way? Better the victory.
Come in. Sophia, wind up your glass.
To the keys. Nice. Them look like them friendly. May I try touch one? Come duckies. Hello. Hello ducky. You know, I'm gonna touch you. What, him? Him look like him at the man. He realized the red pan film face look different.
Like him are the oldest one.
Yeah.
I look at him fast, him fluffy.
A people breed dog, them the one that is big too. You see them? Jesus Christ, I'm just video this in case I'm last. Video this. Buy the keys. Alright. The moms them out. They ban the ducks. And the dogs. No man, them dog are mixed because them egg big. Except them mongrel ones.
So big body girl around there, say you want to see them.
How are them there?
Round by the river, man.
All chicken up here. Next one. All chicken up here. Good body Shaka. Hi baby. You and your man. Your man. On the head big door. On the head big star. On the mix. Tell me for the mix. On the mix. Say something in the camera. Say something. Say something now. Say something. Okay. Alright. Don't know. Yeah, bye-bye. So that's how no one come with the dog? What the dog get? Yeah man, dog aggressive. Dog aggressive, them will attack you and them. I can't hold him too big. Watch him go on that truck. Bye. I fatten them, you know, for eat, you know. Don't be tricked. I fatten, you know, for eat, you know. Ducks and chickens. Up here stink, but smell like a farm. I talk about it, man.
No, go on, man. I'm a big man thing. For me, I don't even want to be on the camera kind of place.
Oh, yeah.
I'm about to lose my shit. I don't even want to be on the camera. You fucked with me the wrong way. I want to lose my shit and bounce. Don't think you're on the camera.
Well, talk about it, man. Cause you really look like you're gonna lose your shit, bro. Yeah? Yeah?
Nila, your phone up a side way.
Mafia. No, man, no. So every river we have to go through this? This looks like every river we have to go through this. Bomba, Cobridge, Bomba Cleat. Listen now, we're never ready for this. We're never ready. None at all. The walk here better than the one outside door. Believe me. Out at desolate door.
Yeah, the man told me a while ago when I come here. I talk to the man.
You can't die. Joke thing.
Who could have stand up on the stone?
Around this place.
Get sharp and still you.
Around this place.
Alright, so we reach. Ricky, I hear so you want to come.
Yeah, people.
I hear so you want to vlog. Yes, sir. Ricky T, wow, vlog. People, yes, sir. No water. No, we are going the same way. Yes, sir. Ricky T, vlog. Good work. Bomba. Murder. Wait. We'll go back over here, sir. We are running far. You don't know if him come for watch me. He come for collect with Pierre.
So like you don't carry more.
Not work. Like gone. No current there. Fuck with that. Fuck with that. Jesus Christ. The only thing of life up here are the tree them. Them are grower. Jaja. I'm say, Sasha and I carrying and say, Jamie in the shop up there. Only for the man I got to look how far the car wash there. For somebody really are go.
She has snapped. That is it. Big bumper girl. Hey, hey. Yeah. People, one time the river never did stay, so you see right there, so. Right there, so was the part where we used to chuck off. We used to put a chuck off. Right there, so. In the water, but poor maintenance. Yeah. When poor maintenance, that happened, the river is no longer swimmable, but we can still pour in this because my heart and me are going at the river same way. Acha.
May I take a picture before? You know, we can't come so far and don't take a picture. You know, oh shit, we got on time now. Come on, take it down.
Good. Up there, so we are go. Take your time. Complain. Look who are complaining.
Yeah, Ricky, yeah. Come here, we have been having fun.
Yeah, my people. So we have to get them up on the little part where look. Yeah, a little swimmable part. Wet to no food.
Go this the first and Joe. Suppose I see
Oh, it's cold. Whoa.
now.
What's that? The way she shy, she have on brassiere and still a whole lot of titty them. The way she shy. Sophia, no. Sophia, I'm sorry for being a boring boy. Next time I'm going to nice with that.